Chalo, sir. So again, very, yeah. Now it should be fine. Now it should be fine. Yeah, chalo, sir. So again, everyone. Yeah, there was a little issue in the router. The one connection just got loose. I guess I'm audible, visible to everyone. Everybody can see me, hear me. So sorry for the unfortunate event. Actually, it was my fault. My feet got tangled. Okay. Acha, so first question. We'll solve the questions very quickly. First question is this one. A number 45189 is to be increased by least possible integer, so it becomes divisible by this. Sir, options are there. There are a couple of ways. Sir, you can take the LCM of these numbers and you can find out. So this is a 5-digit number. So multiply this LCM so that it goes close to this and do what. But better will be go with some multiple concepts. Better. Meaning, for example, least possible number, meaning I need to be, sir, if I take the first option. Acha, first of all, I'll not take the first option. Why is that? Why is that? They are asking, I need to find it, increase it by the least possible number. So I'll not go by option 1, option 2, option 3, option 4. Rather, I'll go by the least is what? 161. I'll start from here. So if I add 161 to this, so my number will be 45189 161. So this is 0, 1. Meaning, sir, 6 and 8 are 14, 1 is 15, that is, sir, 1, that is 3. So 45350. Now this number I'll check whether this is divisible by 16. 16 meaning, sir, it must be divisible by 8. 27 meaning it must be divisible by 9. 35 meaning it must be divisible by 5 and 7. But again, I'll start with 9 and 8. So 350, it's not divisible by 8. 8 divisibility meaning last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. It's not. It is not, sir. So this cannot be my answer. Second one, sir, 171. So if I add 171 here instead of 161, if I put 171, my number will be 45. Instead of 350, it will be 360, sir. Because it's just 10 more. Now let's see whether it will go. Sir, it is divisible by 8, 360. And sir, divisible by 9. Yes, sir, it is divisible. 5 nines and sir, 36 is also divisible. So 9, 5s are divisible. Yes, sir. 7s are divisible. 6 7s are 37. 6 7s are this. 42. 33. Meaning 56. Yes, sir. This is 7s are also divisible. Sir, 100% then option B is my answer. Because this is matching all my conditions. So just by giving trial, I can say I got my answer as option B. Again, it is a calculation-wise much easier method. Moving on, sir. I hope that is clear to everyone. Moving on to the second question, sir. Moving on to the next question. 11-digit number is divisible by 18. 18 meaning 2 and 9. So x, this must be an even number because it's divisible by 2. So all 4 options are even numbers. So again, this 2 is not helping us. So I have to check for 9. So let's calculate whatever we can. 7 gone, 2 gone. 6 gone, 3 gone. 69. 5 and 4, 9 gone. 8 and 1, 9 gone. So 5, 5, 10 and x is remaining. Sir, what must be the value of x so that this sum is divisible by 9? Sir, x must be 8. Sir, option A, sir. Option A, sir, without a shadow of a doubt. Very, very simple. Right? Again, it was a simple question. Next one. What is this? 80, 60. Array, sir. This is a minus 1 by a is given as this. They are asking the value of a plus 1 by a. Root over of, if this is p, sir, this is p square plus 4, if you remember. So just do this. 1156 plus 4 meaning 1160, sir. Calculate. Okay. Options are 29. 29 fours are 1200, 1156. Yes, sir, this one. So, एक second. 29, 29, 29, 29. एक second. I've done a error. 30, 120, 120 meaning 116 and 4. Yes, sir, this is the answer. This is the answer, sir. Option number 1. Option number 1 is your correct answer. 2 root 290. 2 root 290. Option number 1, sir. Just take a 4 out. Take a 4 out, sir. 290 by 4. Okay. Clear, everyone? That's your answer, sir. That is your answer. Again, a very simple. Sir, binary method. Okay. Sir, binary method when if they ask you a question, very rare questions, if even they ask. Sir, always, na, look. So try to do it like the bare minimum. Meaning, I will start from the end. And I will check, sir, what are the anomalies? Meaning, I'll start from the end and I will start checking wherever. Say, if I get 0, 0, 1, meaning this is my answer. If I get 0, 1, 0, the answer can be B or D. So in that case, I'll check what is the fourth option, like fourth number. 0, 1, 0, then if it is 1, then B. If it is 0, then D. Or if I get 0, 1, 1, I'll check this. I'll not do the entire thing. So 92, how to convert everything into binary? So divide by 2, because binary means the base is 2. So this is 46, and whatever is the remainder, no, sir, you write here. And that is how you start writing. This will be the rightmost, this will be the unit most digit. Next is, sir, this is 28, sir. Today I'm doing very bad calculations. 23, sir. Again, no remainder 0. Again, sir, 2, sir. This is 11, sir. Again, if you do it by this, you will get 11, 1. So my last 3 digits will be 0, 0, 1. Check the options. 0, 0, 1. Sir, option number A is the only option. Excuse me. Option number A is the only possible answer. Aurelius is saying 8. No, not 8. Binary means 2, brother. Right? Chalo, this is the answer. Moving on. Acha. Next question, please. Simple interest, 7 years, 8%. Exceeds 5 years, 3%. 56% minus 3 5s are 15%. This is how much? 41% is equal to 820. Sir, 1% is 20 rupees. Principal meaning always 100%. 20, then 100 meaning 2000. Option A once again. Again, sir, option A is your correct answer. Again, you see, no rocket science. No rocket science involved, sir. Next one, please. Next one, sir. Square pyramid is placed on top of a cube of side 10 centimeter. That the base of the pyramid coincides, sir. That means base is a kind of a square only. It's given. The cube is this information of cube. This is dummy data. It is there just to confuse. So, only request, don't get confused. Acha, the lateral surface area of the pyramid is this. Okay, sir. How does the pyramid looks? It looks something like this. Sir, half the lateral surface area, half into L slant height into, sir, base. Base is what, sir? Base meaning, sir, the perimeter of the base. Perimeter of the base will be 4A, sir. That will be equal to, that is equal to 200, sir. Now, A value is given. Side is 10 centimeter. So this is 10, sir. So 0 and 0 gone. 2 and 2 gone. This is 10, sir. So lateral surface, the slant height is 10 centimeter. Now, what is slant height, sir? Everybody, please listen to me. Slant height is this height. And this is your normal height. Sir, this is what slant height is. This is your L. And this is your H. And this is A by 2, sir, half of the side because this is the center. This is the center, sir. You just apply Pythagoras because they are asking height. So can I say this is 90 degrees? So H square must be L square plus A by 2 whole square, meaning A square by 4. So H square, I've just done one simple mistake. It will be minus. It will be minus. H square equal to L square is 10 square, meaning 100. And this is 10 square by 4, meaning 100 by 4, which is 25. So this is 75, sir. So H will be 5 root 3, sir. That's my answer. Option number A once again. Again, the paper setter loves me so much. Every answer is A. Every answer is A. But again, these type of mensuration questions are have been asked multiple times this year. So keep this in mind, please. Please keep this in mind. So next question. AB and CD are two parallel lines. These two are given value of this. Okay, sir. P and Q, they are points. P is, let's say, here. Q, let's say, is here. Joined. So AB and CD, they are parallel lines, sir. Now, what is given to you? It is given that APQ, this angle is 2m minus 7. And PQC, okay, this is m minus 8. Sir, whatever happens, the sum of these two angles is always 180, we don't know. So 2m minus 7 plus m minus 8, that is equal to 180. So 3m equal to 180 and 15, 195. M is 65. Value of M is 65, sir. Option number B. Option number B, sir. Again, couple of lines only. Couple of lines only, sir. Right? Again, lines and angle, very basic questions. I've seen a like only lines and angle question after a long time in SSC. Sir, next one. A deposit earns simple interest 15% per annum for the first year. After that, the amount obtained at the end of the first year invested for next 2 years at compound interest 20%. Final amount is given. Original principal. Okay, sir. Sir, original principal was 100x. First year 15%, so it became 115x. Now on that, 20% per annum 2 years. Meaning, sir, 44% interest, sir. So it will become 144%. This becomes 4140 rupees. Because 20% 2 years, you know, now 44% using AB theorem. So just apply this. 23, this is 20. This is 10, 72. So 9 8s are this. 4 9s are 36, 6 9s are this. So again, 4 2s are this, 4. So this is 11s are this, 5s are this. Correct? And this is 5. 23 5s are this. So x is 25, sir. X is 25. Find the principal. Principal will be, sir, 2500. Option A once again. Option A once again, sir. You see? Very simple. You just needed to put the value and calculate a little bit. That's all that was required, sir. Again, a ladder fraction question. Chalo, banate hain sir ladder fraction. Sir, 1 plus 2 by 3 and 1 minus 2 by 3. So this is 1 by 3, sir. And this is 5 by 3. So it is like 5 by 3 plus 8 by 9 and into, sir, 1 by 3 meaning 3 by 1. So this is 13 by 3, sir. Acha, 2 by 3. So this is 1 by 1 plus 2 by 3 by 13 by 3. This gone. So 1 by 13 plus 2, 15 by 3, sir. So this will be 3 by 15, sir. 3 by 15, sir. कुछ मैंने मिस कर दिया क्या? 8 by 13 by 3. 13 by 3. एक second, sir. One plus 2 by 3 by 13 by 3. 13 plus 2, 15 by 3 नहीं 13 था sir. 13 by 15. My mistake, sir. You see, I've written by 3. It would have been 13. My mistake, sir. It must be option 13 by 15, sir. There. Option 4. Option 4, sir. I mistakenly had written 3 instead of 13. Sir, next question. Looks very simple. Looks very, very, very simple, sir. चलो देखते हैं. Sir, ये तो देख के हो गया. Sir, sec 31. अच्छा. And cos 31. Sir, these two cancels. Cot 27. Sir, cot 63, can I write tan 27? Tan and cot cancels. So your answer is 1. Your answer is 1. Again, in the crash course, we were doing this today only, right? So it might take you not more than 10 seconds. It should not take you more than 10 seconds. So this is a pure and simple question of componendo dividendo. Just add and subtract. So if you do that, top you will get 2 cosec alpha, bottom you will get 2 cos alpha. Here it will be 161 plus 93. Then this cosec and cos. Achha, 1 by sine and 1. So 1 by sine alpha cos alpha. This is 61 plus 7. 61 plus 7 is 68. Here, sir, 4 and sir 200 and how much? 54. Acha, sir, let me say this. If I multiply 2 here and 2 here, so this gets cancelled. I can write this as 2 sine alpha cos alpha. It is sine 2 alpha. That will be equal to 68 by 127. That was the formula. Option B is the answer. Option B is your correct answer, sir. Moving on, sir. Moving on. Aurelius is saying, sir, can you explain the first step? Which question, Aurelius? Can you please tell me the question number? The previous one? This one? This question, brother? Again, chalo, no worries. Brother, you see cos theta into sec theta. Sec meaning 1 by cos. They are reciprocal. So this and this will cancel because it's multiplication. Right? They will cancel each other. This one. Acha. Perfect, everyone. Acha, next one. Next one. Acha, first step. Yeah, definitely. The component dividendo step. Na? You see what we do. Componendo dividendo says what? Sir. It is component dividendo. The rule is at the end of the day, whatever you are doing to the left of a ratio, left side of a ratio, do the same thing in the right side as well. So what we are doing numerator plus denominator by numerator minus denominator. So make sure that you are doing the same thing to the right. So if I do this, you see now what will happen? Cosec plus cos, cosec alpha plus cos alpha. This is numerator plus denominator. Denominator was cosec alpha minus cos alpha. Right? Everybody agrees? Divided by numerator minus denominator. Minus then cos. Right hand side will be cosec plus cos. You see next line. So this gives us 2 cosec alpha by 2 cos alpha. This is what I had written. Clear, everyone? Clear, sir? This is called your componendo dividendo. Now remember, if you do this, if it is given like this, so first term by second term reh jata hai after you have done your componendo dividendo. Perfect. Chalo, no worries. Next question, please. Sir, they are asking sine alpha given. They are asking this. Okay, sir. Sine alpha, cos alpha. Again, don't put it. Sine alpha, and this is a sine alpha by cos alpha. Again, many will kind of draw a triangle and stuff. Don't. It will eat your time. This is nothing but sine square alpha. So 4, 9. So this will be 16 over 9 nines are 81. Option C, sir. Option number C, sir. So again, 10 seconder again. It is a 10 seconder. Next one, please. Time and work question. Oppo is twice as efficient as BART, who is twice as efficient as curl. Okay, sir. Oppo, BART, curl. 1, 2, 4. Correct? Twice, double twice. All of them together, their work will be completed in 12 days. So total work 4 plus 2 plus 1, 7, 12. This is total work. So that this is 84 units. Out of that, A and B work together for 8 days. So they will complete 6 units into 8, meaning 48 units. So remaining will be, said, 36 units. Who will complete this 36? Oppo was replaced by curl. So B and C now working 3 units a day. So they will complete that in 12 days. Now, and Oppo was paid 2,000 rupees for his work. This is a dummy data. Again, nothing doing. How many more days are required? So 12 days are required, option C. Again, you see, that data was required to kind of given to confuse you. Chalo. Next one, sir. By selling 45, acha sir, profit is given in terms of SP. Meaning, I told you make an equation. Write down an equation. SP of 45 meters of cloth is equal to CP of 45 meters of cloth plus the profit. Profit is SP of 15 meters of cloth. So take this to this side. So SP of 30 meters of cloth is equal to CP of 45. This is 3, this is 2. So SP by CP is 3 by 2. They're asking find the selling price of 1 meter of cloth where the cost price of 1 meter is 840. So 2 parts is 840. So 3 parts, 1 part will be 420, 3 parts will be 1260. So SP will be 1260 rupees, option B, sir. 1260 rupees, option number B, sir, without any hesitation. Perfect, everyone? Perfect, sir? A basic question. And a very good one. Very good one, sir. Now, length decreased by 10, breadth increased, area this. So find the previous area, original area. Sir, initial, final. Correct? This is 1 by 10. This is 1 by 4. Length, breadth, area. Sir, what were the values? Length, let's say it was 10. So now it has been decreased by this, so it is now 9. Breadth, let us say it was 4. Now it has been increased by 1, so it is now 5, sir. So initial was 40, area, length into breadth, it is now 45. Now they are saying, ratio le lete sir, 8 is to 9. They are saying area becomes this, meaning 9 parts is this. What is the value of 8 parts? So 8 parts will be, 1 part will be this by 9, 8 parts will be this. 6 nines are 54, 4s are this. So 8 cube is 5120. 5120, option number A, sir. Option number A, sir. Again, you see, nothing is there which can get you in trouble. Nothing is there that can give you a little trouble, sir. Very simple. Very simple, sir. Moving on. Next one, please. Midpoint of the line slope is this. So midpoint is 1 plus 7 by 2, that is 4. 9 plus 3 by 2, that is 6. Sir, point I know, slope I know. So point slope form. Y minus 6 by x minus 4 equal to minus 1. So minus x minus minus plus 4 equal to y minus 6. X plus y is equal to 10, sir. That's my equation. Chalo, x plus y minus 10 equal to 0. Option C, sir. Option number C most definitely is my correct answer. Again, you must be very quick. Chalo, 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 chalo. Next one. Angle between two tangents, this. External point, na? Acha. Radius center O. Array. Okay. What have they given? External point M. Radius is X. Okay, sir. Center is O. Angle between two tangents is 60 degree. This is 60. Meaning, sir, this is 30 degree, this is 30 degree. Because these two triangles are congruent, I've told you multiple times. OM is 635. Acha, this whole thing is given as 635 centimeters. Okay. Okay, so it's very simple then. This is 30, na? So this is 60. So this is a 30, 60, 90 triangle. Think like this. Opposite to 30 is 1 unit, sir. And this hypo, it is always 2 unit. 2 units is given as this. 1 unit will always be the x value, half of this. So 0.5 meaning option B. There is only one option with a 0.5 in it. 635 by 2 is 317.5, sir. Again, height and distance concept we have used. The 30, 60, 90 triangle. Again, very, very, very simple. Right? It just clicked and we just did it. What is this question? What is the average or a bapre? This question. So prime numbers is something, let me say, there is nothing. You have to do it like manually. Prime numbers ka aaj tak kuch nahi mila. Okay. So you have to do it manually. Sir. Achha, first you guys only tell me now how many prime numbers you can see. How many prime numbers you can see. It's just you have to figure out manually. You have to figure out manually, sir. You have to figure out manually. There are like no way that you can get a direct answer. You can get a direct answer, sir. Tell me, tell me, tell me. How many? Uh, 115, 117 नहीं, 119 नहीं, 121 नहीं, 123 नहीं, 123 होता है क्या? 123 is a prime number. No. 125 नहीं. 3, 127. 131 is a prime number, I know. 133, 33. Yes, 133 also be 137 is also prime, I know. 141, 141 sir. No, it's divisible by 3 only. नहीं होगा sir. 143. No sir, 29. नहीं होगा sir. 145 gone. 147. अरे नहीं, 7 divisibility. 149. 150 na? So these are the prime numbers. These are the prime numbers, and most probably I have not missed anything. Anything I've missed? Anything I've missed? Let's see if I'm correct. It will match the answer, right? That way I can get to know. Okay, at least my answer will be one of the options. Sir, average. So let's take our average as 130. Assume mean I'll take. Okay. So I'm taking 130 as the assumed mean. So this is minus 3 plus 1. अच्छा 130 नहीं sir, 135 I'll take. Okay, I'll take 135. So this will be sir minus 8 then, minus 4 minus 2 plus 2 plus 14 sir. This gone, 8 for 12 plus 2 sir. So my actual average will be 135 plus 2 by 5 sir. So meaning 0.4. 135.4 sir. No sir, I missed it. कुछ ना कुछ गड़बड़ हो गया sir. I have missed something sir. कुछ ना कुछ हमने गड़बड़ कर दिया sir. I have missed something. I have missed something sir. क्या मैंने गलत किया? क्या मैंने गलत किया? और लिसिंग 139. हाँ 139 also it can be ना. So whatever I've written इसमें कुछ गलत नहीं है ना. 131 I know. 133 I'm not sure about. एक बार चेक कर लो ना. एक सेकेंड. सोचने दो. 131, then 135, then sir 133, right? One thirty. अरे 19 sevens or 133 ना. ये कैसे कर? अरे sir, I've made an error. 139 is correct. 133 is wrong. No sir. There is a गड़बड़. छोटा सा मिस्टेक कर दिया सर. 133 will not be there. 139 will be there. Let's do it once more. Minus 4 plus 2 plus 4, this one, okay? Plus 14. This will be 8 for 12 plus 10 remaining plus 4 remaining. So it is plus 8 is deviation. So 135 plus 8 by 5, sir. So 135 plus 1.6. 136.6. है क्या ऑप्शन में? Yes, sir. Option number A. Option number A, sir. Yes. So please understand, sir, the prime number questions, if they ask, there is nothing other than going through basics. There are methods to find prime numbers called Farmer's little theorem and stuff. But again, not applicable. You cannot apply that in 30-second questions, right? So again, a little, if you can remember the prime numbers, that's okay. But again, in that case also, we only recommend you remember till 100, not beyond 100. It's a unlucky thing. Chalo, sir. 600-meter circuit, Lucy and Nolan start together, same direction with this. Okay. How many seconds they will first become diametrically opposite on the track? Acha. Acha, to become diametrically opposite, this is a circular track, okay? On a circular circuit. They should have mentioned this. Printing mistake. So they are someone is here, someone is here. They are diametrically opposite. So in that case, sir, what happens? Sir, the distance between them is not 600. It is like 300 meters only. Just the half, because they only need to, like the track length becomes half, they need to move only half. So again, the time will be 300 distance by relative speed because they are moving same direction. So 11 minus 8. So this will be 100 seconds, sir. That's your answer. Option number B. Option number B, sir. Again, a very, very, very simple question. A very, 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 very simple question. Sir, again, this one. Find the dividend, sir. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So x plus 2 into 4x minus 5 plus remainder, meaning this. So 4x square plus 4 to 8x minus 5x, meaning, sir, plus 3x minus 5 2s are 10. 4x square plus 3x plus 2. 4x square plus 3x plus 2, which is option number 2, sir. Done. Again, very simple. This is a class 2 level question. Next one, sir. Next one, please. Sir, a school distributes like sweets among in this ratio. Sir, 8 and 5, 40. Multiply this by 40. So this is 20 ratio. 5, 8, 2s are 16. And sir, 8, 5, 3s are 15. This is the ratio of sweets. If the number of sweets in the class 10, 10 meaning the middle one, is this. Right? So that is into 7, sir. Total number of sweets will be, sir, 15, 30, 31, 51, sir. So the answer will be 51 parts into 7. 357 sweets. Sir, option number B. Option number B, sir. Again, a very, very, very simple question. Bilkul basic, sir. Absolutely basic. Next one, please. A can fill a tank in 18 hours, B in 54 hours, alternatively 1 hour. Just sir, if it can empty, be a little careful. Because sometimes that final, like sometimes the final one, like once it is filled, it will not again kind of empty. So be kind of careful of that. But again, let's see. Over here, pipe A and pipe B, this being an outlet. Remember, so this is time ratio is 18 is to 54, meaning 1 is to 3. So this will be 3 is to 1, the efficiency ratio. Perfect. And total volume of the tank will be 3 into 18, which is 54 liters. Alternatively, working together with A, starting with A. So sir, it will look something like this. First A will come, then B, then A, then B, then A, then B, and it will go on like this. Take packets, as I've told you. Take packets, sir. So A fills 3 liters, B empties 1 liter. So every 2 hours, every packet, 2 liters is getting filled, sir. Right? Every 2 hours, 2 liters are getting filled. Perfect, everyone. Now, if I take, now again, you'll say, sir, 54 hours. No. Think for 54 hours, 54 liters. No, sir, don't think for 54 liters. First of all, think for, 3 liters they are filling and 1 liter, na? Okay. So think in how much time they will fill 50 liters, because there is this 3 liter thing na. So 3 liter, you keep in mind, 54 liters, last 3 liters it will fill like together. So if you subtract 50, like from 54 liters, 3 liters, 51, so you get 2 liters back, so the nearest is 50 liters. So if I take 25 such packets, so it will fill how much? It will fill, sir, 50 liters of water, and 4 liters are yet to be filled. Now see what happens during these 4 liters. Now, one packet ends. Who comes the next? A will again come and fill 3 liters. Now again, 1 liter is to be like filled. But next hour, B will come and again get 1 liter out. So again, now 2 liters needs to be filled. Who will fill this 2 liter? Again next hour, A will come and fill this 2 liters in 2 by 3 hours. So meaning I don't even need to calculate. At the end, there has to be a 2 by 3. Check the options. There is only one option having 2 by 3. That has to be the answer. There is only one option having a 2 by 3 at the end. Because the remaining, the rest of the stuff, it is integer. So that has to be the answer. Without fail, sir. Done. Done and dusted. The mistake. Now, where do student do the mistake here? Sir, total 2 liters is the like kind of filling every hour. Total is 54. So 27. And they mark 27. 27 meaning 27 hours, like packets, meaning, sir, into 2. 27 into 2, 54. So if there is an option called 54, they will mark it. And if there is not, so they will say, a question is wrong. Please understand, things don't work always that way. Next one, sir. Next one, sir. Shopkeeper purchases sugar, this part, this and this, mixes two varieties to sell at this. At this selling price, the profit percentage on the cheaper sugar is equal to loss on the costlier sugar. एक second, sir. Profit percentage. ये तो गड़बड़ दिख रहा है. They should have said profit on the cheaper sugar. Profit percentage, why have they given? Just a second, sir. Acha, no worries. I guess if the profit and loss are equal, percentage will automatically become equal. Don't worry. So just take it. Just do it now. Thinking of a normal allegation problem. 52 rupees, 80 rupees. And this is 72.5. So whatever you used to do. So 20.5 and this is 7.5. Point. So 515s, 541s. This is the answer, sir. 15 is to 41, option A. And if you are not convinced, do one thing. 52 rupees 15 kg and, sir, this 80 rupees 41 kg. Figure out and percentage. Let's take anything, 10%, for example. Calculate and you'll find that the total profit and loss is also equal. Always you'll find this. Okay, clear, sir? Moving on, sir. Moving on to the next one. I guess couple of questions are left only. Cylindrical tank, base radius given, solid metal cube of this submerged. Acha, sir, like the water level has risen, certainly. Sir, some height h. Find the increase. Sir, volume equal to volume according to Archimedes principle. Sir, volume of this is 11 into 11 into 11. 11 cube is equal to pi r square h. 22 by 7 because it's a cylinder. R square is 28 into 28. Sir, rise in water level is 8. Both must be equal. Sir, this is 2, this is 11. I do not think we can do anything more. H must be equal to 121 by 8 into 28. Sir, 160 and 64. 224. Okay. 220. 4 by 2 would have been 112, sir. So it will be greater than 0.5. Greater than 0.5 meaning answer can be this, this or this. This cannot be the answer. Again, we have to do this. कुछ कर नहीं सकते. Correct. Sir, I don't think we can do anything. I do not think we can do much. Chalo, let's not. Sorry. 121 point meaning 0. 5 times. 5 times will be 1120. This is 90. That's a 0. 4 times 896. Sir, 0.54 something. 0.54 something meaning option is. 0.54 something meaning option. In a little calculation. Because they have given you 2 options very close. That's all. Acha. One last question, sir. So sorry. Sir. Root 13 plus 4. Acha, both having root, na? You can do it in 2 ways. Either you square root it, meaning, just a second, 2 and this is 4, 40, 8 and 5. 8 plus 5, 13. So you do it normally. So square root of 13, I'm writing root 8 square plus root 5 square. This is 13, sir. Plus this is 4 root 10 meaning so 2 root 8 into root 5. You see? Correct, everyone? So this is root 8 plus root 5 whole square. Square root meaning it will cancel. So ultimately from here I can write this is root 8 plus root 5. This is root 8 minus root 8 and minus minus plus root 5. This is gone. So I can write this as 2 root 5. Sir, option number 4. Option number 4, sir. Just doing a little bit of square rooting. So option number 4, D is your correct answer. And you see, that concludes our mock analysis for this week. Khatam, sir. That concludes our mock analysis for this week. Again, the paper was standard this week. A few questions were there where you might get into trouble. At least compared to last couple of weeks, this week's paper was a little on the standard side. But again, I hope now it's clear, you will now be able to solve. Now, if you have loved this session, please do hit the like, and if you like our new batches, the new crash course is also getting live from in couple of days. If you want to join, if you want to kind of spend the last phase of your preparation with us, feel free to check out in our website or app. Thank you, take care, and I'll see you guys again with the mensuration classes. Thank you so much.